I've called this question a linear model because technically what we've got here is a line, but it really doesn't matter for this first one. The way we know is it talks about constant growth, but really all we need to do here is follow instructions. So that's important. A lot of these story questions intimidate people, but most of the time they're really something simple like a line that's just got a little bit of an extra kick to it. But even still, a lot of times it doesn't even matter. You're just doing what you're told. So don't panic about these. What do they tell us? So first of all, the question is, what is the approximate age of an American elm tree with a diameter of 12 inches? So American elm right here, we know we're using that somehow. But now let's go into the question, into the text underneath. It tells us what to do. One method of calculating the approximate age in years of a tree of a particular species is to multiply the diameter of the tree in inches by a constant called the growth factor for that species, and here are all the growth factors. So we can turn that into an equation if we want. The age is equal to the diameter times the growth factor. And we have all those things, right? So we have the age is unknown, that's what we're looking for. The diameter, we're told, is 12 inches, and the growth factor is 4. So I don't even need the calculator here. 12 times 4 is 48. That's it. That's the whole question. So if you get this wrong, it's likely that you just didn't read the right thing, or you didn't read at all, right? So especially when there's these multi-part questions, you can't just read the question. The story usually gives you some piece of information that's important. So just look for it, right? If you're ever stuck, you go back to this little paragraph here. Odds are good that it has what you need. So we'll see that in other questions in this grouping. But this first one here, just do what you're told and you'll get the answer.